Hi and welcome guys, and I just wanted to say good night and that I'm still going on, but these last few days I've been in a lot of fucking constant pain, to say it straightforward. And that's why I probably look like shit, because I feel like shit. Ugh. Goodness. Sleeping tablets. Over the counter sleeping tablets. I'm documenting this recovery. And the reason why I'm documenting it is because if I succeed, many others can do the same, especially with the epidemic that's here all over the world. So, if this helps for me, it can help for others as well. And then it is documented, because sometimes in life you need to document certain things, otherwise you forget, and then you fucked, and then you can't help others because you can't remember what you did. I had an implant, a drug implant, the one they put in your ass. Like, I'm not gonna talk in nice terms. I'm just gonna say it as it is. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it, nothing. I'm gonna say it as it is. That it put an implant in my bum. So that when you smoke cigarettes, when you do alcohol, when you do any type of substance, you get very sick and you can die of that implant. And I almost did. So I will not recommend an implant to anyone. But if you want to go for it, go for it. But let me just warn you, it is times 100 times worse than what you think withdrawal is. With an implant, it's 100 times worse. So, yeah, be warned. It didn't work for me, but what is working for me is non-over-the-counter tablets, sleeping tablets, and no benzos, because those type of things always fucks with your mind and it makes you relapse at the end of the day. So I am currently the only prescription drug I'm on is methadone, and I'm also scaling down rapidly. I am doing methadone strictly because I know that if I don't scale down with the methadone and I just leave it, my body is so weak that I will die. And that's the only reason that I am using the methadone, until my body and my organs are strong enough to just leave it. But then you must also be monitored when you do. So what I'm actually doing is I'm making my body stronger. I'm making my body stronger until it's strong enough where I can just leave the methadone and go through